And the Philippines is wooing automakers to make the country their production hub. Again, the details from George Bandola.
DTI Board of Investments continue to ask automakers to consider the Philippines to be their production hub in Asia. One of the agenda of the auto industry roadmap is to make the Philippines as one of the auto exporters in Asia. This after two of the known car manufacturers pulled out from the country previously.
An attempt to put the Philippines back on the auto production, motor vehicle production map within ASEAN. And we are looking for particular niches which are still unfilled at this point, that we can fill up, and so that will enable us to participate as an exporter within ASEAN.
Domingo says two of the three major auto manufacturers already have signified interests to return their production lines in the country. That primarily depends on the fiscal incentives the Philippine government could offer.
To do this, we will have to provide some incentives to the manufacturers, able to entice them to put up a major production operation in the Philippines. And it's the type of incentives that are being discussed, and the quantum. How much incentives are we going to provide?
As soon as car makers decided to put up their production facilities in the country, DTI offers the Philippine Economic Zones. But PEZA Director General Lilia de Lima calls on the media to help the government alleviate the country's image and not to scare them away.
This is our problem. Kami mga nagpo-promote ng investments is really how to destroy that wrong image. Pakita namin sa kanila na hindi, you're as safe here as you're in Japan, as you're in the US, as you're anywhere. Yun. So yun ang problema. Kung hindi sila pumunta dito kasi takot sila, paano natin sila makukumbinsi? So all these new countries that are going to, na mga malayo pa naman, so we are telling them, pumunta kayo doon para makita ninyo, hindi naman kami ganyan ka-backward. Na in fact, ikumpara mo sa iba, advanced kami. Pumunta kayo doon. Ganyan ang sinasabi natin. And then sinasabi namin na corruption, mas corrupt yung iba kaysa Pilipinas. And then sinasabi namin na if you're in PEZA, there's no graft, no corruption. There is, just let us know, crook. Out they go. Crook, out, fired. Kailan sabi ng Justice Secretary, violation of human rights. So I'll quickly add, after due process.
For People's Television, George Bandola.